one of the sides to get this started for the kitchen rack. So create the document, call it, I'll just call it kitchen side. I've got about 4 already started, so that'll do for that. And remember, before you start, just check that you are in millimeters. So click there, go to workspace units, and I'm millimeters, so I'm fine. But sometimes it defaults to inches, so you don't want to waste half an hour doing that. So mine's fine, so I'll leave that go. Now I'm going to draw the first piece, so I'll go sketch. I'm going to draw it on the top plane. So I pick that plane. Now rectangle, and the timber that we're using, so it's 115, enter that, and it's 19 thick. Enter that, tick it. Now I might just remove these other planes so they're not in the way. Gets rid of the clutter. Now extrude that one. This piece is going to be the one that I'm drawing, 250 high. Enter, there. Right, now I'm going to put it in the front view. I've had a few people having problems with this, but I'm going to put the holes and I'm going to put the curves at the top. So sketch that plane there, so I select that plane. Now I get the line tool and hover until it snaps onto the middle, which is there, and I'm going to bring it down 57.5, 57.5. Now that's not a random number, that's half of 115, in case you're wondering. Now I'm going to draw a circle using that center and go to that point again, so that's going to ask for a diameter, so it's 115. Enter that, and I'm going to draw another circle while I'm here, same center, and this one I want a diameter 30, so 30, enter that, tick it, and I'll just put it in the isometric, swing it around like that, get extrude, and then just select those 3 bits. Now sometimes you've got to move it around, sometimes it sort of takes more than you need, so move your cursor around until it selects the bits that you want. And I want that, and that, and that, and I want to remove them through all, tick. Okay, now I'm now going to put in the little joints that come out here, so I might put that in the side view. Once again, I'll go to sketch, click it. Now, I'm going to bring mine up 15 millimeters from the bottom there. So I'll come up 15 and enter that. Now, if you go any less than that, there's a chance when you do the joint that's going to break. But I'll come back this straight across 9.5, which is half of 19. And then we come up here. The skinny timber is going to be sitting inside, which is 12 thick, so that's 12. Coming back this way, 9.5, 9.5, enter that. Now I'm going to do the whole thing in one go. This time I'm going to come up 66, which is the size of the timber that we're using to make the draw. So enter that, 66 there. Same deal, come in here, 9.5, enter that, up 12, enter that, and across there, back 9.5, and enter that. Now this is not the only way you can do it, this is just the way that I've picked to do it now, so if you've got other ways, that's fine. Okay, then we'll extrude, so make sure I select those 2 little bits that I've got, and then say remove through all, tick. Now that is then completed. Just to do the simple one, that's completed. So what I'm going to do is come down here and click there and rename it, and I'll call it the side. Then I will move over to Part Studio, make a new one, sketch, I'll draw it on the top again. This time it's going to be, I'll draw a rectangle this way, and I've worked it out from before, so I want 115 that way, which is the thickness of the wood, and the other way I want 260. Once again, you can do whatever size you want, but that just is the size of the one that I made last time. Extrude, bring it up 12, which is the thickness of that wood, enter that, and I've pushed something funny there, I'll just do that again. extrude 12. That's better. Tick it, and I'll come down here and I'll name that one the shelf. I'll do one more step now. So that's the shelf. That's there. Now I'm going to go to my assembly and insert. See, there's the side and the shelf. So we need 2 shelves. So I'll just click that twice, and we need 2 of these. And tick that. That's a bit messy there, but I'll just select one of those and grab that handle and bring that out. And while I'm doing this one, I'll grab this handle and swing that around 180 degrees, sorry, 180. Now they're in the right position. I'll click outside. Now I'll just move this one away a little bit. Now I'll put it together. So when you're putting it together, use this tool here, Fasten Mate. And if I'm going to bring this piece in, I'm going to zoom right in close. And you can either take that point, doesn't really matter. I'll take this one so it's in the middle and it's vertical. So I'm going to come into here, go to the middle, and there it's in the middle and vertical. So I click that, that's in place. Now I'm going to do the same thing again. I just want it vertical, so there. Zoom in close. Move it around. Okay, that's what I want there. And tick that. And to put the last one into place. Okay, middle, vertical. It's going to attach to this one. There, middle, vertical. Tick it. And that's done. Now, I also need to now put either a back in or something that's going to stop the drawer going through, but that's really easy to do and you can work that out for yourself. I'm going to stop there for now, and I'm going to go and do another video showing how to start the orthographic drawing. So good luck.